Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to fix Instagram stop working or crashing again and again. So if your Instagram app is crashing again and again, how you can fix it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, if you are facing this problem on your Instagram application, you have to follow this step. First of all, open your Play Store. And right here you have to search for the Instagram, and here you will see update button. Simply click on this update button and try to open your Instagram. If still it's not working, go back and tap a while on the Instagram application. Go to the info. Now you are in the settings of your Instagram application. Here you will see storage and the cache. First of all, you have to click on the clear cache and try to open your Instagram. Maybe it will work. Otherwise, you can simply click on the clear storage and again log in to your account. It will start working. So these are the ways. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.